This is Lori, occupational therapist from Pillars of Wellness. For our Mental Health Monday, I wanted to review restorative yoga and talk about some of the therapeutic benefits. Restorative yoga is an excellent opportunity to disconnect from the frenetic activity of daily life and let your speedometer return to zero. It offers a welcome respite among all the turbulence of life and helps to prepare the mind and body for that inward meditation and our deepened awareness. Slowly moving through the poses allows you to explore your mind and body at a steady and natural tempo. The slower pace and deep breathing that you set yourself up for in a restorative posture triggers this parasympathetic nervous system from the very first pose. This activation helps to mitigate the effects of the regular fight or flight stress response that can be damaging to your physiology and overall well-being. The overall calming effect on the nervous system sets a deeply relaxing tone that comforts your mind and body down to the cellular level. I encourage everyone to try some restorative yoga postures, perhaps in the morning or prior to going to bed, and see the benefits of this practice on your mental health and overall well-being.